In front of me is ZTE A53 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. You need to begin by going into voice recorder app and then clicking on this microphone at the top right corner of it. Following that, adjust format settings however you want to by clicking on the best option for you. Then select this blue button to start your recording. If you never used recorder before, make sure to choose Allow in the pop-ups. Then OK in Attention 1. As you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same blue button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one with a flag. And to end it and save it, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Finally, you can name your recording however you want to. And tap on Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you want to delete it, you need to hold it instead. Click on Delete section at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!